Welcome to Lockfor. In this short movie, we'll explain to you how Lockfor actively protects your products and systems. The Lockfor system consists of the Lockfor wire and the Lockfor intelligence. Together, the Lockfor wire and the Lockfor intelligence build the active protection for your system. How does the Lockfor system work? What are the benefits? First of all, you need the Lockfor wire. The Lockfor wire lets you mark your product or your consumables. The Lockfor wire is just half the thickness of a human hair. Although the Lockfor wire is very thin, you can heat, freeze or wash the wire. It still keeps its special properties. Now, let's talk about your system. It becomes a system when it needs consumables to work correctly. To bring the Lockfor system to life, just integrate the Lockfor intelligence into your system and mark your product with the Lockfor wire. Now your system, with the Lockfor intelligence added, communicates actively with the product. This communication does not need to see or touch your product to be effective. As soon as your system has positively identified your consumable, it will start working as usual. If your system determines the consumable as not authorized, the system actively reacts and, as in our case, rejects the product. It is up to you how the system will react in your situation. The Lockfor intelligence informs the system about the verification results. With Lockfor, your system obtains a discrete intelligence for identifying consumables and reacts according to your own rules. Lockfor protects your system actively. Of course, you can also integrate Lockfor's intelligence into a hand scanner. With a mobile scanning device, you can easily scan any product you like manually. The verification can also be done remotely. Lockfor makes your system intelligent.